Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I came up with an BTC update. So without further ado, let's go to the video, and today I have three scenarios for the market. So let's see what are the scenarios and which side has more scenarios. So let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, I'm on BTC Bybit chart here, okay, and the current market is making a pennant pattern as you guys can see in the screen, and it has broken to the upside. You can see it has broken aggressively to the upside, and I'm expecting a pullback. Okay, if not, it can be very aggressive from here. So since it has broken to the upside, so the direction and the targets, okay, so the targets could be here. To make this breakout a valid one, so it should break this high also. Okay, it should break this high because this is a strong high. So if this broken with strong bullish candles, we can expect a pullback, and then you can go for a pump from here. So you can, if you're going looking for a trades, you can look trades in the pullback. Okay, so is the targets, if it has broken, so if the targets are broken, the pennant is broken, so the targets are these. This is scenario number one. So let's go and see what is the scenario number two. Okay, so I'm on, yeah, and you can see that we have this impulse move over here. The second scenario is about Elliott wave. Okay, so this is the second scenario. So we have this impulse move that is here. Okay, we can see this impulse move, right? And before that we had a correction. It has made E and it has going up. Okay, so the same thing is happening here. So we had a impulse move and we are having a correction here. It's a very big correction. So according to the Elliott wave here, see, it has made a E. Okay, it has made this E leg, and after the E leg, what should it come? You can see in the previous chart here. You can see that it has made a first leg and a second, and it has made a third wave and a fourth, fifth. Okay, so this is the fifth. So the same thing could happen here. Okay, so we can consider this as the first wave and this as the second wave. So let's see how it can consider as a first wave. Okay, if you go for 4-hour time frame, if you drop it into that, we can see that it is making a leading diagonal. It has made leading diagonals here. So I'll put in a small. So these are leading diagonals. Okay, so this leading diagonal is creating first wave. It is creating first wave in the larger time frame. I'll put this 3 and 4 in the side. Okay, so the first wave has been completed and the second wave has been completed. So let's see how far it has retested. So the retested, it's on the fib. Go for the, so it has retest to this 50%, 0.5 to 0.6 fib level. This is a shallow fib level. Okay, so after the what we had another impulse. We had 1, 2, and the third is going now on the way. It should go here. So this could be an impulse now because it's a third wave, right? So it should be an impulse, not a diagonal. So this is the second scenarios for bullish. So this is the bullish scenario for the BTC chart. This is the second bullish scenario for the BTC chart. And if this high is broken, until this high is broken, we need to be watching the market. Okay, so if we did not break, then it could go for a down. This is the second bullish scenario for BTC, guys. Okay, so let's go for the third one, which is bearish. Okay, let's go for the third one. So as you guys can see, the market has created the falling wedge, which is mean if any breakout to the upside, it can go higher. So this is the third one. Okay, so that's an extra one. Okay, so I'll just ignore this. And to make the direction clear, we should break this high, okay, with strong bullish candles. If not, if the market closes below this high, we can expect a downward movement. So if it breaks this, you see we have this trend line over here, which is this daily trend line. So I have driven this daily trend line. We have this mitigation, first mitigation here, and the second one, and the third, and the fourth. So if this fails, and if we go for the moving average, so if this if the price close below this moving average with the rejection, then we can expect a down drop. Okay, so and then again, if you want the target, so if this low is taken, so then let's go the fib. So the target is 69 to 70,000. It's almost 70,000 here. Okay, so this is the target. So this could be acting as a next support. So this is the only bearish scenario. What is that? If the market did not take this high, okay, this high, then, and also we should see that if the moving average is above the market, which means the price should close below the moving average. So it should be like this. Okay, yeah, like this. If the market rejected like this here, then we can expect a drop. And also we have this trend line, and it's a good indication that if the trend line is also broken, we can expect a down. And this low, if the low is taken, then we can target here. The market could come here, so this can be a sideway, okay, and come like this. Can be impulse also. So note down the scenarios. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you. So stay tuned until the next video. Goodbye guys.